Every one of us crypto freaks has multiple wallets, and we all know it. Engraving steel for your MetaMask seed? Way too complicated, but simple paper? A no-go. This is exactly where HODL Safe Paper comes in. Developed to close the gap between paper and steel wallet. Rain, flooding, no problem. While paper softens and becomes unreadable, the HODL Safe Paper remains unaffected. Your seed phrase stays safe, even when everything else is soaked. Thanks to water-resistant special material, high-tech that protects where paper fails. What happens when things really get tough? Normal paper tears with a single pull. The HODL Safe Paper stays strong, more tear-resistant, more robust, ready for anything. Developed for long-term storage without compromise. Security you can feel. A lighter is enough. Normal paper burns within seconds, but the HODL Safe Paper stands firm. No flames, no ash, no data loss. Made from a heat-resistant high-tech material. Developed for critical situations. Sure, it will not survive a house fire. For that, only the Golden Sea helps. In this test, you can clearly see it. It withstands heat much longer than normal paper. It is also UV resistant and does not yellow, but it takes much more than regular paper. Don't leave your seed phrase to chance. Trust in a specially developed security material that is simple to use, but strong in protection. HODL Safe Paper. Your smart protection against water, heat and tearing. Available now at HODL Swiss. Maximum security, minimal effort.